Alaikum friends and family, it's me here again, Fatima. Welcome to my channel. Today recipe I'll be making some fried spinach with some kale. So that's the kale here, which that's the spinach. I have 2 packets of spinach and 1 packet of kale, so which I'm gonna be washing everything in here. For protein, I have my cow tripe and my cow skin and some chicken, so that's all I'll be using today. So what I'm making, you can use it, you can eat it with boiled yam, boiled plantain, rice, your fufu. So you can eat it basically with everything that you want. So that's why I'm putting some kale inside, because it's very healthy, and you know spinach is very healthy to help with your iron if you have low iron. So spinach is very good. If you have your pressure cooker, you can put your meat and your chicken and your cow tripe and your cow skin. You can. So I'm gonna boil my meat here, and then after I'm gonna grill them in the oven. So that's my spinach. I'm gonna wash everything nice and clean and chop them. For seasoning, I have my 2 large tomato, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, some onions here, mixed pepper. For seasoning, I'll be using some salt, some Maggi aroma, some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna be using some palm oil. That's my palm oil. You can use many palm oil as you want. Do it to your own taste. That's my meat here boiling. I'm using the boiler chicken, the hard chicken. That's what I'm using. If you are using the soft chicken, you don't need to boil it, you just have to grill it. Everything has been nicely boiled. I'm gonna remove everything in here, and then I'll put it in my grilling plate and grill my. You're free to use meat. Use any meat of your choice. So I'm using my hard chicken. I'm cutting my spinach. If you can't do it like this, you can use your chopping board. So this is how I'm going to be doing all the spinach. I have some locust beans that I'm going to add there. It's optional. And some chopped onions. My chopped onion and my locust beans have been fried like for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to be adding my blended pepper in. I'm going to be frying everything together in here. That's my protein here. That's my grilled chicken. Has been nicely grilled. So I'm going to use some of the stock in here. I'll add it here. Just a little bit amount because I'm making fried spinach. I'm going to be adding my chicken. That's my chopped spinach. I will go ahead and put it in my pot. As you can see, I have mixed everything together. I will just leave the spinach here for 10 minutes. That's why I did not add. Can you see all these juice are coming out? That's why I did not add much of water, because the spinach too have some water. So when you are dealing with spinach, you have to be careful of water.